Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money into Coinbase step by step. So let's get started. Whether you are looking to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any crypto, funding your Coinbase account in first step. First of all, open the Coinbase app, log into your Coinbase website on or go to the Coinbase website on your browser, log into your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, create one. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Make sure your account is verified before depositing. Coinbase may ask for a photo ID or KYC verification. Now, from your dashboard, tap the trade or buy button at the bottom center or right, left. Here, now look for add cash. Wait a minute. Now click on buy. Depending on your region, the wording might differ slightly. Here you will choose your currency like USDT or Bitcoin, then tap continue. Next, choose your payment method. Coinbase offers several options depending on your country. Bank transfer takes 1 to 3 business days. Debit card instant but may have fees. Wire transfer for larger amounts. PayPal available in select regions for deposits or crypto purchases. Let's choose bank transfer for this example. It low fee and widely supported. Link your bank account by signing into your online banking app or entering your details manually. Coinbase will securely verify the amount. Now enter the amount you want to deposit, for example, $100. Coinbase will show you the estimated arrival time and fees if applicable. Your linked payment method. Double check everything, then tap confirm or add funds. Your request will now be processed. For most bank transfers, the deposit takes 1 to 3 business days. You will get an email once the funds arrive. If you use a debit card, the funds will show up instantly, but fees may be higher. To check status, go to Assets, or Transaction History, then select Recent Transactions. Once your funds are in, you are ready to buy crypto. Want to buy crypto instantly instead of depositing? Go back to the trade tab, choose a coin like Bitcoin, enter amount and pay directly with debit card or PayPal. This skips the deposit step but comes with slightly higher fees. It's perfect if you are in a hurry. A few quick tips. If your deposit is delayed, check your bank for pending transactions. Coinbase may flag large transfers for extra verifications. Always enable two-factor authentication for security. If you are stuck, use Coinbase's support chat or help center. So go to Coinbase and click verify your identity. Then select one driver license or passport. Upload your passport picture and follow the process. And that's it. You have now learned use how to deposit money into Coinbase safely and easily. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your questions or crypto experience. Thanks for watching and happy investing. I will see you in the next one. You can use diverse license, then upload front and backside.